Across 4 gripping seasons, Stranger Things follows a group of kids in the small town of Hawkins as they uncover government experiments, a psychic girl named 11, and a terrifying parallel dimension known as the Upside Down. Season 1 begins with the disappearance of Will Byers, leading his friends to discover 11 and the dark secrets hidden beneath Hawkins' lab. Season 2 raises the stakes as the Mind Flayer tightens its grip on the town, forcing the kids to confront fear, trauma, and growing dangers. Season 3 shifts the battle to a new threat beneath the Starcourt Mall, where friendships are tested and sacrifices change everything. Season 4 reveals the origins of the Upside Down's most powerful villain, as the group faces their darkest and most emotional challenges yet, with the fate of Hawkins hanging in the balance. At its heart, Stranger Things is a story of friendship, courage, and growing up in a world where ordinary lives collide with extraordinary horrors.